Do you want to take your car from glum to glossy? Well, stick around because today we're covering how to polish your car. Alright, to start off, you're going to want to give your car a full wash. We hit this split-window Corvette with our foam cannon and scrub with the wash mitt. You need to start with a clean car so you're not polishing dirt around and actually causing damage. Following that, we'll need to fully dry the vehicle so water doesn't run out while we're polishing. We want to avoid our polish drying while we're still working, so we move the car over to a cool, dry, shaded place. For us, this is just the other side of the shop. While we're here, we also give the car a full interior detail, scrubbing and vacuuming the carpets and hitting the dash and door panels with bio cleaner and detail brushes. This is optional, but if you already have the time set aside and your detail bucket out, why not? Now, we have a fully clean car and we're ready to take it to the next level with polish. To ensure the paint is as smooth and as shiny as possible, we grab the fine clay bar and detail spray and clay the entire vehicle. Going panel by panel, take detail spray and mist the area. Next, moving back and forth with some slight overlap, run the clay over the panel, making sure everything has been covered. This is going to pull any of that stubborn dirt that didn't wash off previously. When finished with the panel, wipe it off with a microfiber. Now looking over the paint, identify if there are any areas that need specific correction. This Corvette is pretty clean and well maintained, so we're just going to go over the whole car as a gloss enhancement. With that in mind, we don't want to be too aggressive, so we grab the random orbital buffer, fine foam polishing pad, and fine compound. Apply a small amount of compound to the pad and place down on the car and spread it around. You don't want to apply directly to the car as it will fling across your shop when the buffer hits it. Set your buffer to low and start moving slowly back and forth while keeping the pad as flat as possible on the panel. Bump the speed a bit once you're comfortable. Be very careful over the edges as these are the thinnest areas of the paint and easy to burn through. Once the entire car is polished, we move on to final cleanup, going over the jams, trim, glass, wheels, and tires. We finish with a final wipe down using ceramic spray, which will keep the car protected from the elements for the rest of the summer. For more information about our full line of car care supplies or information about any of our other products, head over to eastwood.com.